हेलो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे आज हम लोग एक टॉपिक अपना कवर करने वाले हैं जो हम लोगों ने कल पढ़ा था, कंपाउंड प्रपोजिशन। उसी के आगे हम यहाँ पे कंपाउंड प्रपोजिशन के न्यूमेरिकल करेंगे। सो इन दिस न्यूमेरिकल वी हैव टू प्रूव दिस प्रपोजिशन via using a truth table. So we can write here with the all possible combination of P and Q to prove that P implies Q by conditional negation of Q implies negation of P. So we can write the possible all combination of P and Q is TF, TF. Now we will write the P implies Q. P implies Q is false only when P is true and Q is false. In the rest case, it is true. And then in this case, we have to write the negation of Q implies negation of P. The negation of Q is false, implies negation of P, that is false. So it might be true. Negation of Q is true and negation of P is false. It's true and this is false. So it implies as false. Negation of Q is false and negation of P is true. So this in that case it's true. Now the next as negation of Q is true and implies negation of P, that is also true. So we will have a true. Now we will have a biconditional statement. The biconditional statement is false when one of the proposition is true. So in that case it's true for all. So this is the output of this biconditional proposition statement. In the next we will have the topic is what is proposition equivalence. A compound proposition that is always true no matter what the truth value of the proposition variable that occurs in it is called as tautology. A compound proposition that is always false is called as contradiction. Means this compound proposition that is always true, then it is called as tautology. Always false is called as contradiction, and it's called as contingency. If it is neither tautology nor a contradiction, then it's called as contingency. Now we will have the next topic, that is logical equivalence. The logical equivalence is a compound proposition that have the same truth value in all possible cases. It means we have two propositions P and Q and we have to prove. So now we have numerical. We have to prove the conditional statement is tautology by a truth table and by the logical equivalence. First we will solve by a truth table, then we will solve by the logical equivalence. So for the truth table solution, we have to write the possible combination of P and Q, that is T and F. Then we will perform P and Q, that is, so we will have the answer as it's false, and then we will have the answer for P implies Q. P implies Q is TF is false, else in the case it's true. Now we will have a X implies Y. We have written this P and Q as X and consider P implies Q as Y. So in the next case we will have the implication of these two statements, this statement and this statement. So X implies Y is T implies T is true, F implies F is true, F implies T is true, F implies T is true. So this last solution is true, or the possible solution is true. So this is a tautology statement. Now we will prove it by a logical equivalence. We will have a solution for this. Is first, in the first step we will remove the implication. So in this way, P implies Q, we will remove the implication and we write like this way. In the next step we will remove this implication, so we will write like this way. Then we use a De Morgan's law to remove this. We will write this. So here we have this statement twice. We will write it as once. We have this 2p same, so we will write the same as 1, and then we have as this q plus q, that is equals to 1, so it is negation of p, truth. Okay, then this will be having a truth value. So in the final we have true, though it's a tautology. Hope this topic has been clear to you all. Thanks for watching this video.